Hey, excuse me.
Hi.
Did you know that Wet n Wild is Hawaii's first 100% solar-powered attraction?
Of course I did. I'm the general manager. You want to learn more?
Perfect, yes. Can you share Wet n Wild Hawaii's journey to becoming Hawaii's first and only 100% solar-powered attraction?
So in 2021, we installed 2,958 solar panels in our parking lot. Each panel is 440 kilowatts, and that provides our park with about 1.3 megawatts of power. Cool benefit of the panels we installed in the parking lot is they're elevated, shaded panels. So not only are we producing power from the sun, but we're providing shaded parking for our guests, which definitely provides huge benefits for the park, but also some added amenities to our guests.
What upgrades did Wet n Wild Hawaii make in 2024 to boost energy efficiency?
Yeah, so in 2024, in partnership with Hawaiian Electric and Hawaii Energy, we were fortunate enough to install 20 variable frequency drives, or VFDs. What they do is control the energy demands and outputs of our motors. So any motor in the park that's pushing water to our filtration, our rides, or our attractions, these VFDs can be very specific on the demands of these motors. So we were able to reduce our energy by 900,000 kilowatt hours per year, which saves us over $200,000 per year.
What new upgrades are you making in 2025?
Yes, so in 2025, we added 225 more panels to our existing solar field in the parking lot. As part of that project, we were lucky enough to install a Tesla Megapack. This allows us to not only run the park on solar throughout the day, but we can fill our battery with our excess solar throughout the day. And then during peak demands from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the evenings, we committed our storage capacity back to the grid. So our Tesla Megapack is unloading and serving the grid, as well as our needs in the evening hours. We're proud of what we've done. We've taken millions of dollars, and I don't say that lightly, millions of dollars and committed to renewable and efficient energy production, as well as storage. We had other needs in the park, and we're working on all those needs, but we felt the top priority, number one priority, not only for us, but for the island of Oahu and the state of Hawaii, was to do our part in the Green Energy Initiative. We are the leader. We're the only 100% solar-powered attraction in the state, and we're proud of that. We'll continue to be as efficient and effective as possible as we continue to grow, but definitely being the first and the leader was something our ownership group, myself, we wanted to make sure we were doing our part to continue to be a sustainable attraction for the state.